Here I have HUAWEI Enjoy 20 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to hide albums on this device. So first of all, you will have to open Gallery, then go to the album section, then tap here, and here you have the option Hide Albums. Here you can hide albums by just switching this switch here, and after that this album will be hidden and you can see it. You can't see it in the albums list anymore. By going here one more time, you can disable it and see this album again. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.